G'day folks, welcome to a short video about my rooftop tent. I was lucky enough to get a free rooftop tent. You can see in the background there. It's a King's Quickie. It's done a lap of Australia. It's okay, it's cracking in a couple of spots and there's a rivet that's popped out. So I'll need to replace that and see if I can fix the split plastic. But it still works and I'm really enjoying it. Not sure I'll ever go back to a swag. I have used the swag once since getting the rooftop tent, but it is really nice to be up there. It's really comfy. Anyway, I'm going to show you some of the upgrades I did, starting on the outside of the rooftop tent. So that strap that's hanging down there, there's one in the front and one in the back. And they're used for pulling the tent down when you're packing up. Unfortunately, when the wind blows, they flap around. So what I've done is I've just put a small little clip on there. That's the tie for locking the rooftop tent. So now when the wind blows, it doesn't flap as much and it doesn't make a noise. I can pull it a bit tighter, then it won't flap at all. There's one in the front and one at the back. The next thing I've done, which is also on the outside, is put a small mat at the bottom of the ladder. It's good for wiping your feet if you're going into the tent or cleaning your shoes or whatever, especially if it's muddy. I've also got a piece of fake turf or fake grass that I use in the winter because it's plastic and it's got holes, so if it rains or gets wet it just drains straight through. But in the summer I use that and it collects the dust off your boots. Speaking of boots, this rooftop tent does not have a shoe bag attached to the tent, so I just made my own. It's a material bag. I'm not sure where it comes from. Might be from, I don't know, shoes, I don't know. But anyway, when I climb up and go into bed or whatever, I just chuck my shoes in there. Keeps the dirt out of the tent. All right, that's it for the outside. Let's hop on into the inside. These are very handy. They are glow-in-the-dark zipper pulls. I've got them on most of the zips. I need to get some more. They are El Cheapo Temu products and they work really well. And this is what they look like at night when you have them charged and you turn out all the lights and go to bed. They work fantastic. Easy to find the windows and the doors in the middle of the night if you need to go to the toilet. This is probably the first upgrade that every rooftop tent owner does. That's the original mattress, and that's a mattress topper added. I'm not going to unwrap it, but anyway, because it's all tucked in. Makes a massive difference. Without the topper, you can feel the crossbars underneath the rooftop tent. With the topper, you don't feel them. I mean, I've only slept in it for 3 nights in a row maximum. Maybe if you sleep in it a bit longer, like a lap of Australia, you might feel it. As you can see, I've installed a LED light. I haven't permanently attached it to the roof. It's just running through the little tags that are used for rolling up the door. There's a cable over there on the left. It runs down to the battery in the ute, or to the power box that's attached to the battery in the ute. I'm not sure if I'm going to have it permanently wired yet. That's why I haven't stuck it to the roof. Because I have one of these now. And so I was thinking I'll just put a cigarette socket onto the end and then I can plug it into here at night. And I can run the light off that. Because this comes up with me so that I can recharge phones or drone battery or whatever. And it's really handy. So I might just do that. I might just wire that LED to that instead. The last mod I've made so far is a hook on the roof. It has 2 uses. I can put up a portable light if I need to. This one's a portable light and a bug killer light. But obviously with the LED light I don't really need it. So more importantly, for in the summer when it's really hot, we have a fan. Yeah, it works all right. It really just circulates the hot air, but it's better than nothing. It keeps you cool. if you're sleeping under it. And of course it also has a light, so that's handy. Got an LED light, and it's got an orange light as well, so you don't attract the bugs. And obviously the fan. So yep, that's it. That's all I've done so far. I'm sure that I will think of a few other things along the way. Maybe some insulation, some sort of insulation, because this gets really hot. The roof gets really hot in the sun. But other than that, I'm very happy with it, especially for a freebie. You can see in the corner there where it's cracked. That's all I've done so far. If you've got any ideas or tips or tricks or hacks that you've done to your rooftop tent, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see if I can add them to my tent, or might help someone else that watches the video and reads through the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more DIY tips, trips and tricks. See you later.